all. Welcome back to DRJ Training. In this session, we will talk about well integrity barriers, illustrating well barrier schematic and diagram. The primary barrier is the first set of barrier elements exposed, in direct contact, to the pressure source. It is defined by the blue color in this schematic. The primary barrier is composed of one or more of the following well barrier elements subject to the applicable life cycle phase: caprock, drilling fluids, casing cement, production casing, production packer, completion string, SSSV or tree master valve. The secondary barrier is typically not exposed to the produced fluid or pressure but provides redundancy in the case of primary barrier failure. It will be exposed to the source only if the primary barrier fails. It is defined by the red color in this schematic. The secondary barrier is composed of one or more of the following well barrier elements subject to the applicable life cycle phase: impermeable formation, completion fluids, casing cement, blowout preventers, casing with hanger and seal assembly, wellhead with valves, tubing hanger with seals, tree and tree connection, actuated tree wing valve or master valve. Test performed during well life cycle. A well barrier schematic (WBS) is a static illustration of the well and its main barrier elements, where all the primary and secondary well barrier elements are marked with different colors. Well barrier schematic normally contains drawing illustrating the primary and secondary well barriers besides common barriers, reservoirs/potential sources of inflow, dimensions and depth labeling for all tubular goods and cement tops defined as well barrier elements, calculated MOSP value for each annulus, maximum allowable tubing head pressure, formation integrity, when the formation is part of a well barrier, well information including field/installation, well name, well type, well status, anomalies, notes, etc. The well barrier diagram is a network illustrating all the possible leak paths from the reservoir to the surroundings, which may be the external environment.